I have viewed some of the schemes that the Assam government has been starting, and also the important schemes in the border areas. So I would like to mention here for numbers of the important schemes. Number one, sir, I have a choice here. This is very important. This is ICDS building at Madam One, stop by the Assam. And number two, sir, we have one LP school, SSA school.
Would you please ask your questions?
No, sir, just few minutes.
This is not a question about this.
One LP school, SSA, destroyed by the Assam, and also one JJM scheme at Takalong, stopped by the Assam. And also, sir, we have one Darbar Hall at Undu village construction on the border area development scheme. So, sir, you know that the operation of development works needs smooth functioning for the benefit of our peoples in border area. So I have only one request, my humble request to the Honorable Chief Minister to intervene with the matter to stop the high-handedness of the government of Assam for the smooth functioning of the developmental works come from Meghalaya for our people in those areas. This is my request to our Honorable Chief Minister